Hey freelancers, do you feel like AI might be tipping up on your job security? You are not the only one asking this question. Across Upwork, Fiverr, and every corner of the gig economy, professionals are wondering, am I next? From ChatGPT to Midjourney, the AI innovation has arrived and it's moving fast. But here is the truth nobody is talking about. You don't need to compete with AI. You need to outposition it. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using a powerful mix of legal protections, client psychology, and business positioning that keeps you essential in the freelance world, even when automation is everywhere. You will learn how to use AI legally to increase your earnings, how to build contracts that protects your creative rights, and how to talk to clients in a way that makes AI your sidekick, not your competition. So don't just watch, take notes, because this video might just be the reason you will double your freelance income in 2025. Let's dive in. Moving forward, this first one, AI's real impact on freelancers. So first, let's debunk the panic. AI is fast, but it's not human. It can process data, generate drafts, even mimic creativity, but it cannot truly innovate, empathize, or build a brand. Most AI output is still generic. It's a good assistant, but a terrible strategist. If you are a freelancer offering low skill, high volume tasks, yes, AI is threat. But if you are offering judgment, nonsense, insight, and taste, you are irreplaceable. You don't need to be scared of AI. You need to upgrade your role from executor to strategist. The question isn't, can AI do what I do? The question is, can AI build relationships, trust, and results like I can? That's where you win. Moving forward with next one, legal rights for freelancers in an AI economy. Let's talk legal. This is where most freelancers are asleep at the wheel. Even in 2025, US law still protects human creativity. Let's break this down. First one, work for hire contracts. Just because a client pays you doesn't mean they own your methods. If you used AI to assist, specify that in terms. Retain your rights unless explicitly waived. Second one, copyright clarity. AI generated work alone isn't copyrightable, but your edited version with your fingerprints on it, that's protected. So always add your human touch. Freelancer payment protection laws. In New York, California, and other states, clients have legal deadlines to pay you. Automation doesn't change your rights to fair and timely payment. So bottom line would be, don't assume clients or AI own what you make. Learn your rights, use them, because freelancers who understand contract law don't just protect their income, they win higher fees and better clients. How to moving for the next one, how to structure AI uses in client contracts. Here is where the gold is. Your contract isn't just paperwork, it's a business weapon. One to protect your work and look like a high level professional. Use clauses like these. First one, AI uses disclosure. Be transparent. Say something like, portions of this project may involve the use of AI tools, reviewed and edited by Freelancer to ensure originality and complex. Second one, output ownership clause. Define it. Do they own the raw AI drafts or just the final product? Protect your signature touch. Third one, warranty limitations. Make it clear that you are responsible for quality, but not for any issues caused by third party AI systems. These are not just legal shields, they are credibility boosts. Clients see them and think, wow, this freelancer is serious. They are future ready. Moving forward with next one, psychology of client trust in the age of AI. Now let's switch gears because the best legal setup, won't matter. If clients don't trust you. The biggest fear clients have right now, paying human rates for something a robot could do cheaper. Your job is to reframe the narrative. Say something like, I use AI to eliminate the grunt work so I can focus on strategy, tone, and impact. AI gives me speed, but you are paying for experience. And here is a pro tip. Create a visual process chart that shows how you use AI plus your human expertise. Include it in proposals. It creates clarity and justifies premium pricing. This is positioning psychology and it works because clients don't want cheap, they want confidence. Moving forward with next one, high income freelancers leveraging AI legally. You want to hit 10K dollar per month or 20K dollar? You cannot just work harder. You have to work smarter and legally. Here is what top freelancers are doing. Using AI for first drafts and charging for the expert review. Creating AI power systems like of branded workflows or visual frameworks and protecting them as a intellectual property. Pricing by value, not hours. If AI helps you finish in 2 hours instead of 10, that's not a discount. That's efficiency you earned. AI becomes a profit multiplier if you build systems and use contracts to protect them. Moving for the next one, global legal shifts around AI and freelancing. Let's zoom out globally. In Europe, the AI Act is already making waves, creating compliance requirements for how AI generated content is labeled and used. What that means for you. Clients in the EU and even global US companies may soon require freelancers to certify their AI process is legal, ethical, and transparent. That's a new service offering. You can charge extra for it. Call it AI compliance and ethics documentation. Most freelancers will not touch this. You can own the niche. Moving forward with next one. AI non-compete, non-disclosure, and data rights. Advanced legal territories here, but stick with me. AI isn't just a tool, it's also a data swarm. If you feed client data into tools like ChatGPT, it might go into future training sets. That's a problem. Use clauses like first one, AI data protection statement. Freelancer agrees not to input client proprietary data into third-party AI systems without written permission. Second one, AI-specific NDA language. Update your standard NDA to include AI tool restrictions and IP boundaries. Third one, non-compete exception for AI workforce. Don't let clients stop you from using your AI systems unless you are getting paid premium exclusivity. This protects you and reassures clients. Moving forward, the next one, 3 actions to future-proof your freelance business. Here is what to do this week. First, audit your AI tools. Know which ones store data and what their legal risks are. Second one, update your contracts. Include AI users, ownership rights, and warranties. Third one, build a positioning statement like I use AI enhanced workflows designed to escalate quality and protect originality. Simple moves, big impact. Moving forward with next one, legal trends for AI-free freelance certification. Let's get tactical. There is a growing market for AI-free creative work. Why? Because some industries like academic, legal, and luxury want human-only content. Create a human-crafted guarantee clause like of this deliverable contains 100% human-generated content compliant with AI-free certification standards. Make it visual. Add a badge to your proposal. Its perceived value. Now you are not competing with AI. You are depreciating from it and charging double. Moving forward with next one. The final take. The future is yours. So will AI replace freelancers? No, but it will definitely replace freelancers without contacts, freelancers who undercharge, freelancers who avoid legal literacy. Meanwhile, the ones who study business, law, psychology, and tech, they dominate. So here is your move. Audit your setup. Update your clauses. Rethink your offer. And remember, AI isn't your enemy. It's your leverage if you are smart about it. Thanks for watching. If you want more high-value freelance and legal strategies, hit the subscribe button and let's scale your income the protected way.